how to fix high memory RAM usage on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix high memory RAM usage on your Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. First, you need to head over to your search bar. Once in the search bar, you need to go ahead and click on Registry Editor. Now, first you need to go ahead and expand HK local machine, and once you're here, you need to expand system. Now that you have expanded system, you need to simply go ahead and expand Control Z 001. Now from here, we need to go and find NDU. NDU over here, you need to simply click on that, and from here you need to click on Start and make sure that the value data has been changed to 4, and once you have done that, you need to click on OK. Now, if the solution does not work, you need to head over to your search, and from here you need to go ahead and click on services. Now that you're in the services, you can click on any option over here, and then you need to press S on your keyboard. From here, you need to go ahead and search for sysmain. Now make sure that the startup type is set to disabled. Once you do that, you need to simply go ahead and click on OK, and this might help you solve the problem. If it does, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.